It's a new dawn, it's a new day, and today we're gonna celebrate me getting my full motorcycle license. I got the A license, so I can go to the other countries and ride with a passenger and stuff like that. I've been riding the motorcycle for quite some time now, but I only had a temporary license. But now I have everything. I don't need to do any more licensing. It's just the motorcycle and us explore. So we're gonna celebrate and we're gonna go to the Netherlands. We're gonna go to Vlissingen. It's like a kind of a village on the side of the ocean, the sea. It's not really an ocean. It's like a little part of the ocean that's, I don't know. My passenger today is my girlfriend, Sylvia, and we are taking our dog with us. Say hello. 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 Yeah, he's really excited about it. He's got ear protection and he can lay down in here, and he can also put his head out, so he's pretty much secured. He's also tied up in there so he can't jump out, just for your information. So let's stop all the talking and let's just ride. So exciting, just standing still in the sun. Change of plans. We're still going to the Netherlands. We are right now in the Netherlands, but where we plan to go, Vlissingen, there is a storm coming over there. We're not gonna ride in the storm. We're picking a point a little bit closer so that we arrive there before the storm hits, so that we can go sit somewhere inside and then ride back. So we're still gonna go to the water, but a little bit closer. So yes, that's the plan right now. Stop maar even. We have arrived at the destination that we had in mind, or the second plan. Wow! Wow! There's a naked guy behind us. There's a naked guy. And as you can see, the storm is over there. And it's also over there. But not here. So we picked a good place to stop. You wanted to say something?
It was a nice ride.
It was a nice ride.
It was the first time I was riding for, what was it, an hour? Or
yeah, it was about 2 hours, I think. We rode about 2 hours. I don't know how many kilometers, but we took the scenic route, so not that much. I feel the first drops coming in now.
That was a fat one.
We're probably just gonna go ahead to the next village. It's 5 minutes and we're gonna eat something inside, wait for the rain to pass and then go back. Is that a good plan?
Yes.
Go where you want. Go where you need. Go where you want. Go where you need. Go where you want. Go where you need. Go where you want. Go where you need.
Really tasty.
Because one wasn't enough. We had to go get a second. The weather is so nice out. The storm warning is just bullshit. Look at this. There's no storm at all. So the change in plan was for nothing, but we're eating this panini right now, so I'm happy. Alright, we've had our break, we've had our snack, and now we're gonna go again. We're gonna go somewhere that we can walk Tilo, our dog. And yeah, it's so beautiful out right now. No clouds. Okay, there are clouds, but no rain. So, perfect. We have stopped to walk Tilo, the dog, here at the Oosterschelde. Over there you can see Antwerp. That is Antwerp. One of the reasons I love the tank bag that I'm using is that I can turn it into a backpack in 5 seconds and then just go and leave everything secured on the bike. Our helmets are also on the bike secured, so yeah, we can just get off and do a walk without all the gear. It's amazing. Okay, we're just gonna do this walk and then be on our way. And we're home. We have been riding all day. We're tired. So we're gonna go to sleep now. It's almost dark out, so yes, it's been a nice day, hasn't it?
Yes.
Yes. Alright. Thank you for watching, and now guess this movie quote. I can't carry it for you, but I can carry you.